Today I am reviewing the Apple iPad 11-inch, A16 chip. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple iPad 11-inch is one of the most versatile and powerful tablets Apple has ever made, combining sleek design, impressive performance, and an ecosystem of apps that make it perfect for both work and play. Powered by the super-fast A16 chip, this iPad delivers incredible speed and responsiveness, making everything from browsing and gaming to photo and video editing feel seamless. Whether you're opening multiple apps at once, working on a creative project, or enjoying a high-performance game, the A16 chip ensures smooth operation without lag, giving you the confidence that this iPad can handle virtually anything you throw at it. One of the standout features of the iPad 11-inch is its stunning Liquid Retina display. The 11-inch screen offers vibrant colors, deep contrast, and true-to-life images that make watching movies, streaming shows, or editing photos a visual delight. The display supports True Tone technology, which adjusts the color temperature to the surrounding light, reducing eye strain and providing a comfortable viewing experience in any environment. Whether you're using it for work, entertainment, or creativity, the display delivers clarity and precision that enhances every task. Storage is generous, starting at 128 gigabytes, giving ample space for apps, media, documents, and games. This makes it easy to keep everything you need on the iPad without constantly worrying about running out of space. With the option to upgrade to larger capacities, this iPad can be tailored to suit both casual users and power users who require more room for creative projects, large video files, or extensive game libraries. For connectivity, the iPad features Wi-Fi 6, providing fast, reliable access to the internet. This ensures that downloads, streaming, and cloud-based workflows are seamless and efficient. Whether you're attending virtual meetings, streaming high-definition content, or transferring files, the iPad keeps you connected with minimal delay and maximum reliability. The cameras on the iPad are also impressive. The 12MP center stage front camera automatically keeps you centered during video calls, making it perfect for FaceTime, Zoom, or any remote collaboration. The 12MP wide back camera with True Tone flash captures sharp, vibrant photos and videos. It can even scan documents with ease. Whether you're taking professional quality photos, recording videos, or engaging in creative projects, the iPad's cameras provide excellent performance. Apple has also designed the iPad to be highly productive and creative. Running on iPad OS, it supports multitasking features that allow you to use multiple apps simultaneously, drag and drop files between apps, and take advantage of specialized gestures for efficiency. With the Apple Pencil, sold separately, the iPad transforms into a professional drawing tablet and note-taking device, letting you sketch, annotate, and write naturally. Paired with the Magic Keyboard Folio, the iPad becomes a versatile laptop-like device with a responsive keyboard and protective folio design for everyday portability. Security and convenience are built in with Touch ID, which is integrated into the top button. Unlocking your iPad, signing into apps, and making payments with Apple Pay is quick, easy, and secure. This ensures your data and transactions remain protected while giving you fast access to your device. Battery life is another strong point of the iPad 11-inch. With all-day battery life, you can work, play, create, or study without constantly worrying about charging. Whether you're in a long meeting, on a flight, or spending the day at school or work, this iPad has the endurance to keep up with your schedule. In conclusion, the Apple iPad 11-inch is a powerful, versatile, and elegantly designed tablet that delivers on every front. With its A16 chip performance, Liquid Retina display, advanced cameras, 32 GB storage options, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and compatibility with Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, it is ideal for gamers, creators, students, and professionals alike. Whether you're using it for entertainment, productivity, or creative work, the iPad 11-inch is an all-in-one device that combines speed, style, and functionality in a compact and portable form factor. It truly represents the best of what Apple tablets have to offer today.